again, this time at Lighthouse Pizza. Home of the 9-inch slice, they say. That's the biggest slice pizza I've ever seen. And they got their own, what they call a lighthouse sauce. This crust, it's a honey wheat crust. I've never seen that before. Sauce is good. It tastes like a spicy ranch or something like that. I have no clue how you're supposed to eat this. It's absolutely massive. And I got, you can put 5 toppings on your pizza, and I did sausage, bacon, and pepperoni. That's just a flat out delicious pizza. Tons of toppings. As you can see, they loaded it. It's do have a complaint for as far as reviews go. This is impossible to eat. Toppings are pretty good. It is rather greasy and leaking grease all over, but I'm not going to complain about that because the toppings are so good. I did smoke and oak fired pizza. This is different, and for different reasons. I'm going to go at 8-9, same as that. The other one was a little crispier. I like that. The sauce I liked a little better, but the toppings are better in this one. So I'm going to go the same. Can't quite say which I like better, so I'm going to go the same on it. As you can see, they're doing construction here, so we aren't in front of the building that's down and around the corner on the building. So 8-9, that's a review.